All right, guys, I'm back. I have a clean canvas to work with. I have sprayed my hair with B2Z, which is Beyond the Zone, and a hair polisher, heat protectant. All right, I've turned on the brush and I have it at the highest setting, which is at 410. But if I were you, I would start at the lowest setting and work your way up until you find the setting that works best for your hair. Okay. So I have the hair clips and the heating glove. All right, I have a mirror that I'm working with here. So if you're wondering what I'm looking at. And we're going to try our first piece of hair here, okay? I don't usually wear hair clips while I am styling, so this will be a first for me. But I'm going to try them. And we may have a winner. Okay, cool, not bad. All right. Here we go. Ooh-wee. Whoa. This bad boy is not playing at all. Okay. I mean, it's cool. Let's see. Let's part another area. So basically what I'm doing is similar to if you were using a hot press comb or a flat iron. You start at the root and you glide down towards the ends, okay? So just a simple pass. All right, I am going to finish the rest of my hair and I will be back to show you the result.